So in the last video, we have seen about what is reflection and reflection API in Javas and how to create the package files. So today in this video, we are going to see an example program on how to get the superclass modifiers to access the modifiers of the given class and what are the drawbacks of using the reflection APIs in the programs. So now let's open the workspace. So what we are going to do is first we are going to import the Java file, import java.lang. And next, so I'm assigning the public class get superclass 1, which extends object so public static void main string args here I'm going to assign the class get superclass example 1, that is sub is equivalent to new class get superclass example 1. So I have assigned the class value and here class 1 to get the it is a method to get the modifiers that returns the access modifier to the modifiers class. So class 1 is nothing but equivalent to of sub dot get class values. So here I'm going to print the system output as system.out.println. That is object super1 is object of type is equivalent to. So here it will get the class 1 get values. Fine. So again, I'm assigning the class value. That is class 1 is equivalent to class 1 dot get superclass values. So here what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this both lines and paste it over here. So instead of object super1 as an object type of, I'm going to use superclass of object sup1 as, here it is as, sorry. So now let's save the program. So here in this method, it is going to give us an access to get the modifiers that is returning to the access modifiers of the class values. Okay, so now let's run the program. So here we got the output as object super1 as an object type of type list get superclass example 1 and superclass of the object super1 is java.lang.object. So this is the method of using this get superclass methods. So now let's see what are the drawbacks of using this reflection APIs. So there are main three drawbacks for using this reflection APIs. First one is the performance overhead, because what will happen is when we are using this reflection APIs, it is used to clear the, it will be using us to stop the performance of the program. So that is a main disadvantage. And next one is security restriction, because it requires a runtime permissions at all, because it will be, this APIs will be performed during the runtime. So it will get the permission of runtimes. So it will create a security issue. And third one is exposure of internals. That is, a private class is also supposed to be given to the all the users, which will be considered as exposure of internals. So these are all the drawbacks of using the reflection API. Hope you are clear with the reflection topic. We'll come back with a new topic in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.